5 Facts about Croissant. A croissant is a buttery, flaky, Austrian viennoiserie pastry inspired by the shape of the Austrian Kipferl but using the French yeast leaven laminated dough. Croissants are named for their historical crescent shape. The dough is layered with butter, rolled and folded several times in succession, then rolled into a thin sheet, in a technique called laminating. The process results in a layered, flaky texture, similar to a puff pastry. The exact origin of croissants is not clear, but they are believed to have originated in Austria, where they were known as Kipfel. It was created in honor of the Austrian victory over the Turks and modeled after the crescent on the Turkish flag. Croissants became popular in France in the early 19th century, and they are now a staple of French cuisine. Traditional croissants are made with butter, but there are also versions that use margarine or other fats. Croissants can be eaten plain or filled with a variety of sweet or savory ingredients, such as chocolate, almond paste, ham and cheese, or spinach and feta. The process of making croissants is time-consuming and labor-intensive, with the dough needing to be rolled and folded multiple times over several hours. In France, croissants are typically eaten for breakfast or as a snack with coffee, and they are often served warm. Croissants have become a popular pastry around the world, with variations and adaptations found in many countries. The crescent shape of croissants is said to have been inspired by the Ottoman Empire's flag, which featured a crescent moon. Croissants are a rich source of carbohydrates and fat, making them a high-calorie food. However, they can be enjoyed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. January 30th is National Croissant Day. The croissant became the French national product in 1920. The croissant started as a luxury product, but by the end of the 19th century, it was middle class. Before the modern croissant, puff pastry was used as a garnish or shell, not to eat on its own. The chocolate croissant is actually called pain au chocolat, as it is not in the shape of a crescent. In 2013, chef Dominique Ansel came up with a cronut. It is a deep-fried croissant/donut combination that became all the rage at his New York bakery. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.